You are given this equation. Find the value of x if 2 raised to the power of 2x in bracket times 4 in bracket raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 32. So the basic base of this very equation is 2. So this is the list of the base. So what we need to do is to make sure that all these bases here is reduced or are reduced to 2. So, and what can we do that? So we have here 2 raised to the power of 2x already. Let things on the times 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. And x 1 equals to here 2 raised to the power of 5 will give us 32. So from here we solve the same way. 2 raised to the power 2x times 2 raised to the power of, this is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2. I hope you understand 2 times x is 2x, 2 times plus 1 half plus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. So at this point this product is log, so we add their powers. So we have 2x, okay, let's just add it at once. 2x plus 2x, that will give us 4x. So let's just have it 4x plus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. From here we discard the bases and then bring down 4x plus 2 equals to 5. So subtract 2 from both sides, we have 4x left here, 5 minus 2. From here we have x equals to, let's just divide both sides by 4. From here x equals to 3 over 4. That's just it. If you don't understand, drop your question at the comment section, and I still have to leave you with something so that you can solve, and then drop your answer at the comment section. So let's solve this. The exercise for today, exercise is if 2 raised to the power 2a plus b equals to 2 raised to the power of a over 2 raised to the power of 3b. Find a in terms of b. Thank you very much for watching. Please follow us. Click on the bell so that you can have more videos. You can see more videos from Mathstand, and as well share to your families and friends to subscribe to learn more from Mathstand. Thank you very much.